Hi friends, this video shows how to install WhatsApp. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Open App Store. Tap on this App Store icon. The bottom you can see search field. Tap on this search tab. On the search field, tap here. Then here we need to type WhatsApp. Search for WhatsApp. Then select WhatsApp Messenger. Tap here. Then tap on this download and install button. Tap here. Now it's installing WhatsApp. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. Then tap on open. Select agree and continue. Select allow. Here we need to enter the phone number. Then tap on next. The next screen we have to enter the OTP. We will get OTP in our mobile phone. That mobile phone we need to enter in the next screen and verify. So this way we can download and install WhatsApp. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.